Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Craig County in northeast Oklahoma, Nowata County in northeast Oklahoma, Northern Rogers County in northeast Oklahoma, Washington County in northeast Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Salt Coffeeville to Nowata Tavira and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations in or near the path include Ulanga, Tuala, Centralia, New Ellery, Hollow, Bushy Head, Chelsea, Pyramid Corners, Welch, Blue Jacket, and White Oak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.